Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Today I'm going to ask you some sentences in Nepali by using simple present, simple past, simple future, continuous, perfect, everything. You have to translate them in English. Are you ready?
I'm ready, sir.
All right. First one is Uni pani piusin.
She is drinking water.
Pani piusin. She drinks water.
She drinks water.
Okay. Timi ramrari gaउँछौ.
She is singing well.
गाउँछौ. तिमी राम्ररी गाउँछौ. You sing well.
You sing well.
Who चाँडो दौडन्छ.
He run fast.
He runs fast. Okay. म खाना पकाउँछु.
I will cook.
पकाउँछु.
I will cook
I
it.
cook food.
I cook food.
I cook food. म खाना खाँदैछु.
I will eating food.
I'm eating food.
I'm eating food.
Okay. उनी चिया पिउँदैछिन्.
She is drinking tea.
She is drinking tea. ऊ किताब लेख्दैछ.
She is writing a book.
He is writing a book. Okay. हामी अंग्रेजी बोल्दैछौँ.
We speaking English.
We are speaking English. Okay. मैले खाना खाएको छु.
I eat food.
खाएको छु. I have eaten food. Okay. उनी घर गएकी छिन्.
She's gone house.
She has gone home. Okay. हामीले फुटबल खेलेका छौँ.
We watch playing football.
खेलेका छौँ. We have played football.
We have played football.
Okay. तिमीले पढेको छौ.
You read a book.
You have read.
You have read book.
Okay. तिमीले पढेको छु. You have read. मैले पढेछु.
I have been reading.
Yeah, I have been reading. म पढेछु. उनले चिया पिइन्.
She drinks tea.
Up to in. She drank
tea.
Okay. उनले खाना पकाइन्.
She cooked food. तिमी नाच्दै थियौ. She was dancing.
तिमी.
You was dancing.
You were dancing. तिमी नाच्दै थियौ. You were dancing. मैले गीत गाएको थिएँ.
I sing the song.
गाएको थिएँ. I had sung a song. Okay. हामीले काम गरेका थियौँ.
We have been working.
We had been working. Okay. मैले गृह कार्य गर्नेछु.
I will write my homework.
I will write my homework. Okay. उनले खाना पकाउने छिन्.
She's cooking food.
पकाउने छिन्. She will cook food. Okay. तिनीहरू खेल्दै हुनेछन्.
She will be playing.
They will be
playing.
Playing. Okay. उनी घर गएकी हुनेछिन्.
She will be gone home.
गएकी हुनेछिन्. She will have gone home.
She will be gone home.
Okay. मैले गाडी चलाएको हुनेछु.
I drove a car.
चलाएको हुनेछु. I will have driven a car.
I will have driven a car.
Okay. मैले किताब पढै हुनेछु.
I have been reading a book.
I will have been
reading a book.
पढेको हुनेछु. I will have been reading a book. उनी नाचै हुनेछिन्.
She have been dancing.
She will have been
dancing.
Okay. उनी नाचै हुनेछिन्. That's all, everyone. Round of applause.